As you can see, after pressing the print screen key on my keyboard, the screen capture automatically opens. How to disable this annoying Windows 11 feature? Let's start. Click Windows. Search Settings. Then, open Settings. Next, click Accessibility. Inside Accessibility, scroll down and click Keyboard. Turn off the Use the print screen key to open screen capture. I already turned off mine. But you should see that the feature is currently set to on in your laptop or PC. Just turn it off. That's it. Your problem should be solved by now. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe. Thank you.